And like everything is still happening at once, and it's just like, oh my god. I know it's so hard, and like I don't know, everything is so.
What's up? I don't know. Oh my god.
Did we kill her?
Maybe in bed last night.
Oh, you're such an idiot, transy perv.
That's what she said.
You're such an idiot.
Yeah, like you.
I'm so fat.
You're not fat.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not the one with a penis and big boobs. Yeah.
So good. It makes me so mad. I just can't take it. Oh my god! She's dead. My lover is dead. What do I do now?
Well, there's one thing.
It's just too hard. I can't.
Your lipstick is colored up by the angel. I know exactly what goes on.